Most of the time as an oral medicine specialist, I see people with disorders of the jaw joints or temporomandibular joints. I've been involved in this area now approximately 35 years and I've seen many changes. Unfortunately, there's been no definitive breakthrough up till now in the treatment, and most devices used similar principles with softer or harder materials, but they all seem to have similar sort of side effects which can produce quite severe problems in an individual. Patients would come back with a number of severe problems. One was disfigurement in the sense that they were lopsided because the temporomandibular joints were affected. Their self-worth was seriously disrupted because of the way they looked. They couldn't eat properly and they suffered with severe pain. Consequently, a number of us joined together to try to solve this problem without producing extra side effects for patients as occurs now with current devices.